Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to give you a little walk around test drive of this beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. What you need to know about this car is it's equipped with a Ford 289 V8, 3-speed floor shift. It's got these nice styled wheels, newer interior. It's actually a bench seat, but it looks like a bucket. Has power top, works well. The canvas is good, but the clear window is in need of replacement. Has a cool dual exhaust in back. Very popular. It's a solid car. So you got an extra full-size spare, extra air box. Underneath is solid. Looks like a new fuel tank was put in sometime not too far back, but it's all solid under here. No rust. No rust. But it has not been restored, it's just been maintained. It looks good, it drives great. Could still use some TLC, but it's really nice car. Starts, it's reliable. Says 289 V8, looks like a new master cylinder. Has a big capacity aluminum radiator. So we'll go for a quick drive. Drives out really nice. The power top works perfect, fits well. Interior is pretty good. Carpet's actually quite good. Sills are good. Door panel's okay. Some chrome, simulated chrome coming off. Parking brake works. So this is a 3-speed. So it's like an H pattern, except where first gear would be is reverse on this 3-speed. So the odometer shows 74,000 miles. Obviously, a 65, we don't know. We weren't there, but I'm pretty certain that's not a. This guy's going to be nice and let us go. Clutch is really good. Shifts really nice. Goes down the road nice and straight. Engine runs smooth. Going 50. So these are freewayable cars. They're 4-wheel drum brakes, so they're not, as quick stopping as today's cars, but they function properly. They function like a 1965 Ford Mustang should function. It appears the gauges work, side view mirror works, rear view mirror works. The clutch feels really good. There's no chatter. See my feet. And the motor runs very smooth. The lady who consigned it, the story is her father was a collector and had this and some other cars. And he's passed on, and she asked us for assistance selling it. So it has the nice wood steering wheel. I like the 3-speed column, the floor shift, I really do. It's very nice. The car could use some further detailing, but it's a good quality driver car. runs cool. Anyway, what I was saying with the lady who consigned it, she drove it here from the northern end of LA County. So it's reliable, freewayable. That's like an hour and a half drive. See if the radio works. Looks like the original radio. Not getting any radio. See if the wipers work. Lights work. I saw them before. See if the fan works. I hear the fan blowing. So I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, the fan works. So we're in second gear and it actually runs very nice. Yeah, the gas gauge works, the speedometer works, the temperature gauge works. It shifts easily. This is a great car if you're not confident on clutch and shifting. This is a great car because it's hard to stall it out. But I can feel that clutch feels really good. So let's review. This is a 1965 Ford Mustang, California title, clear title, smog exempt. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.